Imagine this. You're speaking English with confidence. Everything is going great until you say sheeps. Your friend smiles politely, but inside they're thinking, oh dear, dear. This tiny mistake, adding an S where it doesn't belong, is one of the most common mistakes English learners make. And today I'm going to make sure you never make it again. In this lesson, you'll learn words where adding an S is completely wrong. We'll talk about the rules, give clear examples, and stay until the end. There's the quiz where you can test your knowledge and see what you remember from the lesson.
Cherish English.
Welcome to Cherish English, the place where you will boost your grammar, sharpen your speaking skills, and feel confident using real English every day. Let's get started. Section 1. Why this happens. When we first learn English, we're told to make a plural, add an S. And yeah, that works for many words, like 1 apple, 2 apples, 1 book, 3 books. But here's the thing. Some nouns don't work that way. There are 2 main groups you need to know. Number 1, uncountable nouns. They have no plural form. Number 2, irregular plural nouns. Plural is the same as singular form. If you add an S to these words, it will instantly sound unnatural. Let's take a look, and I promise you'll remember them after today. Section 2. Uncountable nouns. No S ever. First word today, knowledge. Knowledge. He has many knowledges. Incorrect. He has a lot of knowledge. Correct. Think of knowledge like water. You cannot count it like drop by drop in everyday speech. Instead, say a lot of knowledge, some knowledge, a bit of knowledge. Information. Information. I found many informations online. I found a lot of information online. Information, uncountable. Still, if you want to count it, you can say a piece of information. Your turn. Repeat after me. A piece of information. Number 3 can be tricky for some people. Advice. Advice. Be careful, it's spelled with a C. Advice, a noun. Advise with an S is a verb. She gave me good advices. She gave me some good advice. Uncountable. But again, you can say a piece of advice or some advice. Furniture. Furniture. Another classic mistake. The shop sells beautiful furnitures. The shop sells beautiful furniture. Yeah, you can count tables and chairs, but not furniture. Luggage. Luggage. Luggage, common in travel. We had 3 luggages. We had 3 pieces of luggage. Same with baggage. No S at the end. Number 6, equipment. Equipment. The equipments are expensive. The equipment is expensive. So again, if you want to count it, you can say pieces of equipment. News. News. Here's the tricky one. It ends in S, but it's singular. The news are surprising. The news is surprising. Think of it as new information. Okay, mini recap game. Let's test your knowledge so far. Are these sentences correct or incorrect? Number 1, she gave me good advices. Wrong. Advice, uncountable. Instead, we can say she gave me some good advice. Number 2, we had some luggage. Correct. The news are bad. If you said wrong, that's correct. The news is bad. A quick reminder, if you're finding this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any other lesson. Section 3. Irregular plurals. Same singular and plural form. These can be quite tricky sometimes. The first word is sheep. Sheep. There are 5 sheeps. The correct way to say there are 5 sheep. Deer. Deer. We saw 3 deers. We saw 3 deer. Fish. Fish. Usually the same. 1 fish, 2 fish. He caught 3 fishes. He caught 3 fish. In some cases, we can use fishes, usually in biology, when we talk about more species of fish. Series. 1 series, 2 series. The same form. Aircraft. Aircraft. We saw 2 aircrafts in the sky. We saw 2 aircraft in the sky. Salmon. Salmon. Some kind of fish are the same form, singular and plural. These salmons are delicious. This salmon is delicious. Now a mini game. Let's test your knowledge. Tell me, what can you see in the picture? If you said 1 sheep, that's correct. How about this one? If your answer is 2 salmon, you're correct. And this? 3 aircraft. That's the right answer. Section 3. Memory tricks. Here's how to remember. For uncountable nouns, if you cannot count 1, 2, 3, 4, no S. For irregular nouns, think of them as VIP words. Their plural never changes. If you're not sure, you can always use a piece of or some. Section 5. Recap. So let's see, what have we learned so far? Some nouns are always singular. Information, knowledge. Some never change form. Irregular, aircraft, sheep, deer. Avoid adding S to these words and your English will instantly sound natural. Section 6. The quiz. And time for the final test. You decide, correct or incorrect. She gave me good advices. Incorrect. Advice is uncountable. Instead, we can say, she gave me some good advice. Number 2, we saw 5 deer in the forest. Correct. Number 3, I have some important information for you. Incorrect. I have some important information for you. These aircraft are brand new. Correct. And the last one, this news is shocking. Correct. How did you do? Type your score in the comments. I'd love to see who gets all 5 right. And share this video with a friend who says sheeps or informations. Thanks for watching, and remember, some words just don't like S. Mwah. Bye-bye.